Welcome back, welcome back. We are here to discuss some of the best trades to take now. Believe it or not, guys, the best trades to take now. Our favourite topic because we love making money. We just love gobbling that money up. We just love indulging in that sweet, sweet cash, which is what I'm going to bring you guys. I'm going to bring you guys sweet, sweet cash as usual. I look way too bright. That's a bit better, I suppose. Anyway. We're here to discuss money, so let's get straight into it. I don't want to fuck around because I have to get up really early to make these videos for you guys. So, best trades right now. What am I looking at? I've got a couple, and then I'm going to go over our quick morning update as well in the same video. But here's a couple things that I'm looking at right now. So, the first thing, SMST, guys. SMST, this is short MicroStrategy. I really want to be selling puts on this, and this is the trade that I've come up with right now that we can take right now. So the current price of SMST is 4.89 a share. Okay, we can sell the 4 strike cash secured put and receive $35 in credit, or 35 cents per 100 shares, right, or per share. So 100 shares, $35 credit. That brings our break even on the shares all the way down to 3.65 per share. I would not mind assignment in that range. If we can get down to that range, we can then really start chipping away at our break evens very fast with covered calls. I think this is an absolutely fantastic entry. As you guys know, I've been selling strangles on MicroStrategy because I think the premiums are way too high on that stock for how volatile it actually is at the minute. So I've been selling really far out of the money strangles. But what I want to do now is I actually want to start selling strangles with the put side still really far, but I want to bring that call side in a bit closer to collect some more credit, because I do think MicroStrategy is probably going to be the #1 trade this year when it comes to when that thing pops to short. But we can still short this and be wrong and still make money through SMST. I think it's a no-brainer short, but trying to short it through SMST, we can still be wrong and make money. So why wouldn't we do that? That is an absolute no-brainer. And I'll just show you the contract right now. Here's the broker. If I go to SMST, 22 days out, right here, I actually have one contract of the 3. I tried to fill 10 and only 1 filled, which was kind of annoying. I got a very good premium on that, but only 1 filled, which is kind of shit. So it says we can get 30 credit on this. I think we'll be able to get 35, especially if we can push a little tiny bit higher, because the market is quite bullish at the minute. So I'm going to be trying to fill these at 35. I'll probably take 10 contracts at a 35 strike. It has a 0.24 delta, so again, that's a nice delta. It's a nice area for us to start shortening there. Okay, so that is the first trade that I would like to bring to your guys' attention. Next one, AMD. You guys know I'm in AMD right now, and the trade I'm trying to bring to you guys is sell the 100 strike for after earnings. You could do this week before earnings, but then you've only 2 days to expiration. Premium's going to be whack. You could sell the 100 strike put and get a 0.8 credit, and your break even will be 99.2 per share on AMD. I think that's fantastic. The current price is 117.35. That's like 18% out of the money, guys. That's phenomenal. I'll show you my position on AMD right now. Well, here's the chart first, and the chart looks like this. The chart is right now at huge support. We're in this huge downward sloping support right here, and we're in this key level, this key box, and we're chopping to the downside on price, chopping to the upside on RSI. So triple bullish divergence on key support. This thing is ready to pop. I will tell you that now. It is ready to pop. It is ready to reverse, probably at least back to the 130 range. And I am ready to make some money. So I'll show you guys my AMD position right now. So right here you can see the very first thing I did, I went long on AMD when it was 130 per share. So AMD is down 10% since I took my position. However, I'm in profit by 0.19% at expiration. Maybe thinking how? Well, it's the power of option selling. I can be wrong and still be right. I have a cushion. If I want to go long here, if it falls past my level, I have a huge cushion, a huge gap of where I can be wrong and still make money. And that cushion gets bigger every time I roll and every time I collect more premium, which is why this strategy is really good for catching bottoms. So you can see negative 10.15%, but I am up 0.19%. Now what happens if AMD after earnings is above 121? What does that look like for me? I will make $415 on this trade if this expires worthless, which will be 1.6% return on the $26,000 capital I've put down on this. So I am significantly, I was early. You guys can now enter and have a way better break even than me, like significantly better break even than me. That would be unreal, guys. That really would. I'm gonna put that back, and then let's get into the next trade. Sorry, I'm a bit slow this morning because I am very, very tired. I got a shocking night's sleep. Nvidia. You knew this was coming. You knew this was coming. Of course it was coming. Nvidia. Right now it's 123.79 a share. I recommend selling the 10 strike for a 2.8 credit. And your break even will be 107.2. Now what date was that? Because I didn't put that down. That would have been very, very smart. Oh. Okay, here we go. 22 days out, 110 strike. You're going to get 2.8 credit, and it drops your break even significantly. This has a 0.22 delta. I think this is a very nice price to own AMD at, or sorry, Nvidia at. And better yet, if you have a small account, here's a little tip for you. Let's get straight into the next one. NVDX. It right now is 10.98 per share. I want you guys to sell the 8 strike, get $62 in credit, and your break even is 7.38 per share. Fantastic. 8 strike on an $11 stock, and your break even is 7.38 per share. Guys, no brainer. No brainer here. 22 days out. No, what did I go? Probably 29 days out. There you go, 29 days out, guys. 8 strike. It's a no-brainer to me. That is a fantastic price to own this at, and the covered calls pay bank if you get assigned. You'll be able to drop your break even super fast. This is literally the 2x leverage version of Nvidia. You can wheel Nvidia with a small account. You do not need an account of $10,000 to wheel Nvidia. I'll say that again. You do not need an account of $10,000 to wheel Nvidia. Instead, you can wheel NVDX, which is the 2x leverage version. You need an account of 1,100. Sell the 8 strike, collect $62, break even of 7.38. Perfect, guys. Absolutely perfect. Anyway, thank you for watching. These are the best trades to take right now. This is going to get uploaded super, super quick. And then I'm going to get straight into the daily update video. I was going to do it in the same video, but nah, there's no point. Let's just get 2 separate videos out. And I hope you enjoyed this one. Take it easy, guys. See you in the next one. Like and subscribe. Peace.